Three of Job's friends came to comfort him. At first, they sat with him in silence, but then they began to speak. Instead of encouraging him, they accused him. They believed Job must have done something terrible to deserve such suffering.
Surely God is punishing you for your sins.
But they were wrong. Job was not suffering because he had turned away from God, even though his heart was breaking. He refused to lie about his faith.
My conscience is clear.
Not everyone will understand what you're going through. Some people will judge your pain instead of praying for you. Don't let other people's opinions define your relationship with God. God knows your heart. He sees what no one else can see. For the Lord sees not as man sees. Man looks on the outward appearance, but the Lord looks on the heart. Even if people misunderstand your pain, God understands your heart. Keep trusting Him. Your story isn't over. When everything was against him, Job still refused to let go of God. Day after day, the pain continued. His body was weak. His heart was broken. His friends kept accusing him. There were moments when Job cried out to God, asking why he was suffering. But even in his confusion, he refused to walk away from God. Real faith isn't trusting God only when life is good. Real faith is choosing to trust Him when you don't understand what He's doing. Your storm may be painful, but don't let it separate you from the God who is able to bring you through it. Though He slay me, yet will I trust in Him. Don't give up because life is hard. Keep trusting God. The darkest chapter is never the end of the story. The same man who lost everything witnessed God restore beyond what he ever imagined. After all the pain, after all the tears, after all the waiting, God spoke. The Lord reminded Job that his wisdom is greater than human understanding. Job humbled himself before God and trusted Him completely. Then everything changed. God restored Job's health. His joy returned.
My ears had heard of you, but now my eyes have seen you.
Don't mistake God's silence for His absence. The same God who was with Job in the ashes.
Your greatest breakthrough may come after your greatest battle. Keep praying. Keep believing. He was blessed with children again, and the Lord gave him twice as much as he had before. Your season of waiting is not forever. God sees every tear, every prayer, every moment you chose faith instead of, if you keep trusting Him, He can turn your greatest pain into your greatest testimony. The Lord restored Job's losses. Indeed, the Lord gave Job twice as much as he had before. Job 42:10. If God restored Job after everything he lost, He can restore you too. Don't give up. Your testimony may be closer than you think. If God restored Job after everything he lost, He can restore you too. Don't give up. Your testimony may be closer than you think. If you're about to give up, watch this before you do. Job lost everything. His children, his wealth, his health. His friends misunderstood him. Even his own wife told him to give up. But Job made one decision that changed everything. He refused to let go of God. And in God's perfect time, his pain became his testimony. His tears became joy. His loss became restoration. Maybe you're crying behind closed doors. Maybe you've prayed for months or even years, and nothing seems to change.
Don't mistake God's silence for his absence. The same God who was with Job in the ashes
was the same God who lifted him up. If you're still breathing, God is not finished with your story.
If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to subscribe to Sisiakos TV, like this video, and drop a comment for more episodes.